A routine courtroom plea turns tense as a defendant with a high BAC and past DUI admits to relapse, leading the judge to revoke leniency and order remand despite emotional explanations. From bond violations to sudden custody decisions, every moment escalates in real time.
Jury selection, June 8th, 2026, 8:30. Is there a...
There's a bond violation.
Is there? Okay, in terms of the dates, both of those proceedings are in person. Let me see the bond violation. Do I have a copy?
You should.
Is there a particular place they're putting these now in the file? I know, but I got it.
Approach and get a copy on.
You don't have a copy of it?
Look at one. Fine. Yeah.
Okay. And you have these positive.
Yes, Your Honor, I have a copy dated April 20th, 2026.
Yes.
Your Honor, she would admit to the violation.
She admits to the violations.
But Your Honor, she relapsed. She was going through some very, very serious things. Since, go ahead. Phil.
Oh, I was a very heavy alcoholic, and those first few days were extremely difficult on me, and I relapsed. I'm sorry, and I didn't think I was going to be able to afford everything. I just thought I felt hopeless. I apologize. I know that doesn't mean anything, but since then I have not touched alcohol, and I feel a lot better. Personally, physically, and mentally.
Are you in any type of treatment?
No, Your Honor.
We've discussed it, Your Honor. Would it be possible to put her on a scram?
I'm not going to do that at this point. You're going to have to set up you're going to have to get something set up for her, because she didn't make it and she was rather high through 2 days. High BAC through 2 days.
I did share this with her, and we talked about it at length.
Get that information about where she's going to go into, but at this point, if you put something together, then I'll consider a method by which she might be on a scram tether or a sober link. But at this point, bond is revoked, defendant remanded.
He's putting me in jail.
I told you.
You can go with my bailiff.
Wants me to put together. What?
Ma'am,
Okay.
to go now.
Yes.
Courthouse case, People versus Tyler Watt.
Your Honor, Raymond Cooper, the default of file ending in 0502.
Conrad Seller on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
And Assistant Public Defendant Nicholas Bukovich on behalf of Mr. Watts in both matters.
Hold on. I only have one file.
Well,
I filed a nollie on the state's case. I wasn't sure if the court had received that yet. I still saw it on my docket, so.
Oh, okay. I must have, because I have 446 is the only case I have.
And that is the
All right.
township case. That's correct.
Got it. All right.
yes, Your Honor, and my client would like to, in the township case, would like to omit responsibility to double parking. He would only ask for leniency and fines and costs due to his current status of being incarcerated.
So that is correct, Your Honor. Move to add count 2 of double parking. If you accept that admission, move to dismiss the original charge.
Your name, sir?
Tyler Watts.
All right. Mr. Watts, do you admit responsibility to the fact that on April 17, 2025, at the location of Washtenaw Avenue in Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you double parked the motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
All right. Court will accept that admission to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. fines and costs of $180. That will be due 90 days after release. You got that?
Sure.
All right. Thank you. Let's call the case of the people versus Rebecca Dooley.
We're trying to bring the book to the people.
Didn't even see. Yeah, I was hiding. Joe Simon on behalf of Ms. Dooley, who appears by Zoom. Rebecca, state your name.
Rebecca Dooley.
I have before me a plea form that indicates that she's going to be pleading to operating while intoxicated second offense. That's count 3. Well, the 1-year offense. Upon her successful plea to that charge, count 2 would be dismissed.
This is the new complaint. Your Honor may remember this was a remand for this plea from.
And count 1 was already.
That's right. That's right. And also, Honor, on that plea form, I made sure Ms. Dooley has it electronically. I sent it to her. She gave me her authority to assign it on her behalf, but she's reviewed it.
The prosecutor will recommend community service in lieu of jail.
Right. So just to refresh the court, I know the court's memory is pretty shocking. Is great. She's relocated permanently. She did about over a year ago. I don't remember the exact span of time to was it North Carolina? But yes, North Carolina.
North Carolina.
And
So she's a Tar Heel.
and all of
That's right. I remember that.
yep, and all of her.
I don't like Tar Heels.
Oh, all of her.
My Maryland days. But go ahead.
I think
Simon. I'm
Turtles
sorry. I
like-
don't mean to interrupt you.
Turtles like tarple. But anyways,
I don't
anyway,
even know what it is. It's odors. Anyway.
all the recovery that she's been doing, we're going to make sure gets to your probation.
Very. All right. Ma'am, if you can please raise your right hand to be sworn. Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. State your name again for the record, please.
Rebecca Dooley.
All right. You can put your hand down. Ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you're going to be pleading guilty to the charge of operating while intoxicated second offense. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration, a $1,000 fine plus court costs. The court could order rehabilitative services or community service that the court deems necessary. The court could order your vehicle immobilized, could order you to pay the cost of the prosecution as well as the cost of any emergency governmental services. You understand all of that, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
And understanding that, do you still wish to plead guilty? Bless you.
Yes, Your Honor.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty, Your Honor.
And you understand that by pleading guilty, you will not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you signed an advice of rights form or had one signed on your behalf?
Signed it.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, any question regarding any of those rights?
No, Your Honor.
All right, you understand that you're giving up all of those rights, inclusive of the rights that are contained under paragraph 5.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, Your Honor.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to flee?
No, Your Honor.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No, Your Honor.
You're doing this voluntarily and of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
And also because you believe that you're indeed guilty of this offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
On September 17, 2024, at the location of Washtenaw Avenue in Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Prior to operating that motor vehicle, did you consume intoxicating liquor?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you recall what you had and how much?
I drank vodka, but I do not recall how much, Your Honor.
All right. Were you stopped by the police or was there an accident?
There was an accident, Your Honor.
All right. Ultimately, the police arrived?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Were you arrested?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Were you taken to the hospital for a blood draw?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what were the results of that blood draw?
0.17, Your Honor.
All right. Do you have any reason to dispute those blood test results?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Had you previously been convicted of operating while intoxicated on or about November 13th, 2008 in the 61st District Court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wait, is that the right?
Or the April date? Which date are we using?
We can use either one because we're past the April anniversary. That's what we wanted to do. So
Right.
so I guess technically for the charge, it should be the April date.
It would have to be, you're right. So were you convicted of operating while intoxicated on or about April 18, 2019 in the 61st District Court?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Ma'am, I do have to advise you that if between the time of my acceptance of your plea and the time of sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined under the Michigan court rules, you could not withdraw your plea and the court would not be bound by any sentence recommendation or evaluation. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
And have I complied with the court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea to count 2 or to count 3. Count 2 is dismissed with count 1, so the record's clear, having previously been dismissed. Defendant is referred to Von Swartz for an alcohol screening and assessment and the victim's impact panel. Sentencing in this matter will be June 10th, 2026, 9 a.m. 9 a.m.
Your Honor, I know you want us to do it in writing, which we will, but we'll be requesting a Zoom appearance for that as well.
Yes, I understand.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Hold on a second. Do I have probation into? All right. So, ma'am, hold on the line. We're going to put you into a breakout room with my probation department so we can start the process.
And
okay?
if I can just state patient's purposes, we already have the Von Swartz assessment. We'll be forwarding that as well as everything else.
All right. First. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am. We'll
Thank
get
you,
you moved into that room shortly. Court calls the case, People versus Otis Elliott.
Morning, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Otis Elliott.
Not sure.
Otis Elliott. No response. Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond is setting. Pardon? Okay, hold on.
Unmute. I was trying to find the unmute. I'm sorry, sir.
Okay. What's your name?
Otis Elliott, sir.
All right.
I'm requesting.
No, I won't issue the bench warrant.
Thank you.
I still
Please.
should. I still should.
No,
You should
please.
you should know where the mute button is.
I'm sorry.
All right. You do it next time. Next time I'm going to give a warrant, but I'll take it back this
Yes.
time.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Your Honor, I need some more discovery in this case. I'm requesting adjournment.
I'm going to adjourn your matter to May 20th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Yes, sir.
There'll be a test on the commands in Zoom. All right. Take care.
I'll be prepared.
All right. You do the same. Court calls case People versus Jennifer Adams.
Morning, Your Honor. Raymond Cook. You're right.
It's an arraignment without. Your name?
Jennifer Adams.
Miss Adams, you are before the court on a misdemeanor citation that alleges that on or about July 7th, 2024, East Michigan Avenue in Pittsburgh. Understand that?
Yes.
All right. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration, fine not less than $200, but no more than $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. First question I have for you is, do you want to be represented by an attorney?
No, sir.
Really?
It's not necessary. I didn't have insurance at the time and I understand.
Well, hold on. I don't want you saying anything about it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So if you don't, so what are you going to do today?
I've already paid the ticket itself and the bond. As I was just going to pay the warrant fee today as well. I just wanted to get it.
Are you
quick.
sure?
The warrant fee is $50, correct?
Yeah.
I have that.
You just want,
And I currently have insurance.
oh, okay, hold on. You just want this done?
Yes, sir.
And so you want to take a misdemeanor to have it done? Why would you want a misdemeanor on your record?
I don't.
Don't?
No.
Don't you think an attorney might be able to help you with that?
Maybe, but I am guilty. I did not have.
Well, hold on a second. Hold on. Stop that.
Okay.
All right.
I apologize.
Because no, just listen. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. Got it? But sometimes there's a way to take care of these things without you
Obtaining a
have
charge
a
in the process.
Huh?
I said obtaining a charge in the process.
Yeah. So let me ask you this. If that's a possibility, can't say it will happen, but if that's a possibility, wouldn't you rather do something like that?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you know how to do that?
No.
Okay. So I'll ask again. Do you want to be represented by an attorney?
Yes, please.
Yeah, it would be necessary then. Okay, this is a PD case.
Yeah. This other sphere exotic information.
Okay.
Assistant Public Defendant Nicholas Bukovich on behalf of Ms. Adams. At this time, Your Honor, will be standing mute as to the charges. We will first waive any other formal of the complaint and then stand mute of the charges, Your Honor. And as this is a no insurance case, I believe a PR bond would be more than appropriate.
Mr. Cook.
Your Honor, I have no objection to any motions on the record, but I would ask, instead of adjourning, if we could just briefly pass this matter. I believe I heard the defendant previously indicate she has insurance now. If that proof can be provided in a couple of minutes, I'd be more than happy to dismiss this case at that time.
Wow. You got that?
It's in my cell phone in my vehicle, but I have.
You got it somewhere?
Yes, it's in my
You can
vehicle.
get it?
Yes.
And then at that point, look what happened. You were going to plead, pay a bunch of money, do whatever.
I just wanted to.
This, I know, but this is,
Now it's really going.
see, and you know who you can thank for it? You know who you can thank for that? Mr. Bukovich. He got up there, scared Mr. Cook. He's willing to do something. All right. Okay. All right. Do me a favor. I'm going to pass the matter. Go out, get your proof of insurance.
Okay.
All right. You're welcome. Don't thank him. Don't thank him.
Insurance.
He'll turn on you in a minute.